Hello, David Haslett here. This video is about what to do when this happens. So I came here early one morning and found the student's piece was broken. A repair had been made just the day before, and then there's this breakage that happened in a completely unrelated spot. Now, the piece is a little bit thin, it's a little hard to see, but a form was used to go over this plate of mold underneath, and it's a little bit less than 1/4 inch, and 1/4 inch is the minimum for a stoneware clay like this. This is the sgraffito effect where I put a little bit of terracotta, or we did, and then scratched it on the outside to make some kind of designs, but it's really unusual that it broke over on this space, so I think that there's some bumping that happened. One student said, I suspect foul play. That might be the case too. But this video is going to be about how to fix something like this. I will also add, I am so impressed when students come to me and say that they accidentally did something like this. It's like 1 in 20 will actually come forward with that. I call that courageous integrity. It takes so much to be able to make that kind of admission. And I know as a teacher, sometimes I've accidentally broken things too, and it's so hard to actually come forward and say that was my mistake. But it's so impressive when that does happen. So here's what's gonna happen. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a spray bottle and spray on the top of this and try to saturate it a little bit, but not so much that I lose these patterns. She put a lot of work into this. So I'm gonna saturate it, try to let that soak in. What I'm also probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna add a little bit of a backing, because this is so thin. Here, I'll even hold up a slice that's really thin. So this probably first broke when she was adding a little bit too much pressure, scratching through the terracotta to get that sgraffito effect. So it may need some backing. But at the very least, I need to get it softer. I'm going to need to put something in between. So she's going to have to re-scratch some of these lines, like on this mushroom stem, where it continues. But if we can get this together, she can take it from there. So that's the next step.